Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this 1946 Chevrolet C10 custom pickup truck. It just has a beautiful candy apple red paint, beautiful wheel and tire package. Paint to me is very close to a 10 out of a 10. You got the NASCAR side exhaust on it, front disc brakes. It's got a 5.7 liter 350 motor, TH400 trans. Just a great cruiser. The only thing I believe this truck, is missing, in my opinion, would be air conditioning. We can add the air conditioning for about $4,500 on this truck if it's something that you guys need or want. Depends where you live and what you're going to do with it. But if you're looking for a showpiece with beautiful candy apple red paint, this is it. You got the black bumpers front and back. Like I said, the paint is super nice. Suspension, look at the suspension. I mean, the ride height is just beautiful on the car. Truck, should I say. Beautiful custom interior as well. All redone. Tilt wheel. I'm gonna fire it up as well. You guys can hear it. If you guys need financing, and if your credit score is between 630 and 770, you will need about 10% down. So about $5,300 down to get qualified. Obviously, all approvals are based off your credit profile. Low payments, long-term, no prepayment penalties. And if your credit score is over 775, I have a little bit better rates for you guys. But rates do start at 6.5% and then go up from there. Okay, let's fire this bad boy up, and I want you guys to check it out. It's at, boys, right here. I mean, just check out the price of this truck. It is incredible. Take advantage of the low price. If you need delivery, call or text us at 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars.